Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this board mass problem that is 100 divided 50 by 7 times 7. So what people do, they cancel out the 7 with 7 and then 100 divided by 50 as 2. What do you think? It's correct or incorrect? Yes, it's incorrect. Because when an expression like this, 100 divided by 50 over 7 times 7, where you have given multiple operation like division, fraction, and then multiplication, then always go for board mass or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, you have to first solve the parenthesis if given, then exponent, then multiplication, division, both have same priority, similarly addition and subtraction. So it becomes, first we solve the division part. So we will write it like this by putting multiplication here and do the reciprocal of this. So here 50 and 100 would cancel out 2 times and 7 times 7 is 49. So what is the answer? 98. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.